Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegetable soup with chicken stock. First, select your favorite fresh vegetables such as carrots, celery, and onions. Make sure you have about 6 cups of good quality chicken stock on hand. Begin by washing and chopping all your vegetables into uniform, bite-sized pieces. This ensures they cook evenly and are pleasant to eat. A little prep work now makes the cooking process much smoother and more enjoyable. Next, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add your chopped aromatic vegetables, like onions and celery, and sauté them until they are softened and fragrant, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Pour in the 6 cups of chicken stock and bring the entire mixture to a gentle boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it simmer for about 20 minutes, or until all the vegetables are tender. Now it's time to bring out the best flavors in your soup. Season generously with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and your favorite fresh herbs such as parsley or thyme. Taste the soup and adjust the seasonings as needed. Remember, a little extra salt or a pinch more pepper can make a big difference. Once perfectly seasoned, ladle the hot vegetable soup into bowls. It pairs wonderfully with a slice of warm, crusty bread. For an even more substantial meal, consider adding some cooked shredded chicken or a handful of small pasta shapes during the last 10 minutes of simmering. This makes the soup heartier and more satisfying. Leftover soup can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, making it perfect for meal prep. And hey, if your car needs a little refresh, check out the link in the description for Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.